Welcome everybody, it's Jenny from That's Crafty Stampers, and today the video that I'll be focusing on is in the Christmas catalogue on page 5 called the Tag Buffet Project Kit. So this project kit comes in a beautiful box. This is on page 5, the stamp set, and these are all the components in the kit. So it makes 30 tags, but I've decided with my kit to make 12 tags and then give you some alternative ideas of what to do with the rest of the kit to make some Christmas cards. So I'll show you the box. This is the beautiful box that it comes in, and I've attached one of the tags to it, so I'll be able to put a Christmas present in that. So beautiful. It's one of the, like a paper pumpkin style box. So that's the beautiful box. Then the tags that it makes, there's 6 designs in this set. So these are the 6 designs, and you get 5 of each design, so you get 30 complete cards to make in this kit. What comes in the kit is all these backing pieces, which are beautiful designer series paper with gold elements in them, and there's all different colours. You also get these plain white ones that have got oval accents and also another shaped accent. And then all these designs just pop out of cardstock. So you've got your stocking, your Christmas presents, Christmas bauble, some beautiful foliage, a lovely Christmas tree, and the cardinal design. And the cards that I've made alternatives up with these are these ones over here. So I've just done 12 tags using the kit, and then all the leftover pieces I've made all these cards up, and I've used also the stamp set on some of these alternative cards. So the stamp set's lovely because it's got a verse that goes inside your cards. It's also got a to and a from that you can put on the back of your tags. It's also got messages for the front of your tags, such as these, and the gorgeous ornament and stocking, which look like they've been hand drawn. And there's also foliage, holly leaves, and little berries. So I'll just show you some of the components that have come out of the kit. This is the instruction sheet here. It's really easy to follow. And when you get your kit, there will be, everything gets popped out. This is how the Christmas trees come, and you just pop everything out of here. So all these elements, the cardinals, the trees, everything just pops out of this white cardstock. It's already all printed with gold elements in it. All the tags that you see on the cards all just pop out of a piece of cardstock, so you can just stamp your Christmas messages on them. And then the backing pieces with these, there's 2 layers to each tag, so you get a printed section, and you also get these designs. There's that design, one with little stars, and also an oval one, which is like this. And I'm going to show you how to put together a couple of ideas using the stamp set and just whatever you've got at home in the way of dies and embossing folders. So really quick and easy to do. These are the colours of the cardstock that match the kit. So we've got garden green, real red, spruce, can't remember the full name of it, spruce, and also pool party and whisper white. So they're really nice. Most people will have the garden, the Christmassy, 2 Christmassy colours. So that's the traditional colours, and these are more the modern colours. But the combination of all the colours looks really, really pretty. So what we're going to do, this is one of the alternative cards that I've chosen to do and show you using the stamp set. So all I've done is got a piece of real red cardstock, folded it in half, and then I've got a piece of old olive and run it through an embossing folder, a piece of very vanilla cardstock, and I've run it through the dies, the stitched Sweetly dies, this largest one I've used on here. So I've just die cut one of those, and then what I've done with my Tag Buffet stamp set, I've got the bauble out, and I've also got the little leaf design out. And what I'm going to do is, using Memento Black, because Memento Black's really good for colouring in with, we're just going to ink up the leaf design and just stamp it up the top, ink it up again, stamp it up the top, and then we're going to get the Christmas bauble and just bring it down a little bit, stamp it about there. And then what I'm also going to do is stamp on a separate piece the bauble and two of the branches. And what I've done here is one I've prepared earlier for you. That's what I've done there. I've stamped those in. I've coloured this design in using my stamping blends. And then I've also coloured in the Christmas bauble and cut it out separately. And then all I'm going to do with that is use a bone folder just to give it a bit of a curve, like so. And I've just run a little, it's one of these fine line marker pens with a ruler down from there to look like it's a hanging bauble. And then all I've done with my dimensionals is I've put a couple of dimensionals on the back. Okay. I might put another one on the top of that to pop it out a bit. So that's just going to go on the top there. And then with your stamping blends, these are great for colouring in your rhinestones because they're an alkaline base. You can colour them in and it doesn't rub off. So I've just got Mossy Meadow here, and all I've done is coloured the rhinestones in, and that won't come off. It's a permanent colour on there. And then using take your pick tool, this is a great tool. It comes with 5 little implements on it. This end's got putty on it, and you also get an extra refill one in your pack. It also comes with a piercing tool, and on the end's a little spatula. And you also get a stylus as well, which will clip in to the end. But that's the putty refill, and there's a spare putty refill. And what that is great for doing is picking up your rhinestones to add on to your projects. So I've just added a few there, and then I'm going to add a few of the little green ones onto here. There also is in the Christmas catalogue these ones too. You get, it's called Sequins for Everything. It's in the Christmas catalogue, and you get 3,600 sequins. So there's the colour range in the sequins, and I've actually done those on one of the Christmas trees, which I'll find out later for you. But they're really good, and you can use your piercing tool for picking those up with as well. So with that card, all I have done is just attached all the layers together, like so. Added this one and a little Christmas message down below. So nice, easy project. I've done the same with this one using the stockings from the set. These 2 stockings from the set I've done on there. And these designs here are just done with mint macaron and smoky slate, and I've used the 2 largest stitched rectangular dies for these. So this one was, most of you have got dies and embossing folders in your set, so I've just used those 2. And then what I have done with this white part that comes in the kit, that's one of these backing pieces, is I've just got my pool party. I'm just going to use an aqua painter here to do this project. So I just want to add a bit of colour around there. So I'm using my pool party ink pad and my aqua brush. And I'm just going to put my aqua brush into the pool party ink. And I'm just going to do a wash around the edge of this piece and do that all the way around. And how the finished product looks like is this. Just a lovely soft colour. And that's what I've put on this card here. And then I've just stamped up the 2 Christmas baubles, coloured them in and 3-dimensional them on. With these cards here, all I've done is really easy. With these 2 pieces that you get for your backing pieces, I've just cut a gold piece of cardstock and trimmed this one down. So say for example this card here, I've just taken a little bit off here and a gold piece there, had that as my second layer, and then I've just got my Christmas bauble. I'll take this one off here. This has just been added onto here, and then you just cut a narrow strip 4 inches by 1.5, and you wrap your twine, which you get the twine in the kit as well. So there's enough twine in there to do 30 tags, and each length of twine is 12 inches, so plenty of twine in the kit to do. So, and you just wrap the twine around that piece and adhere it to the card. So that's all the alternative cards that I've done and the tag. So I've made 12 tags, decorated the box with it, and I've also made over 30 cards using the kit and the stamp set. So I hope you've enjoyed that today, ladies. I hope it's given you a few ideas, and happy stamping. Bye.